Hey everyone, welcome back to another e-commerce session of Ecomclips. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: creating promotional offers on Walmart. If you are a seller on Walmart and want to boost your sales, this video is for you. Promotional pricing at Walmart is a powerful feature for sellers to attract customers and drive sales. With promotional pricing, sellers can offer discounted prices or clearance deals on their products. By using promotional pricing or strike to pricing, sellers can increase their product visibility, generate customer interest, and ultimately boost their revenue on the Walmart platform. Now, let's see how to create a promotional offer on Walmart. First, log into your Walmart Seller Central account. Once you are logged in, from the sidebar, click on Items under the Product Catalog section. Now, in the top right corner, you will find the Update Items in Bulk option. Go ahead and click on it. A new window will appear. Here, you need to select your fulfillment type depending on how you will handle your shipping and inventory management. After selecting the fulfillment type, choose the update method. For creating promotional pricing, you will go with the buy template method. A feed will be downloaded, locate the file and open it. In the feed file, you will see the first two fields for submitting basic price updates. Enter the SKUs and regular prices of your items in these fields. Now let's move to the promotional price. Here we have promotion status. Set it to active and then promo price. Enter the price you want to offer customers during the promotions. Choose between reduced, clearance or base. With the promo placement option, you are not actually showing the promo price on the item page. If you choose the map cart option, customer will only see the promotional price after adding the item to their shopping cart. Or if you go with the map checkout option, the promotional price will be relevant on the checkout page, but only if the customer is logged in. We are leaving it blank here as we want to show the promotional offer on the item page. Lastly, promo start and end date. Set the duration of the promotion. Also, you can set up 5 promotions in this file. Repeat the steps for each promotion you want to create. Once you have finished inputting the data for your promotions, save the file. Now go back to Walmart Seller Central and upload the saved file. Make sure to select the correct spec template, which in this case is bulk pricing and promotion. And then select the type of update you are making, which is promotional price update for our case. Double check everything and when you are ready, click submit. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can successfully create promotional offers on Walmart. This can significantly enhance your sales and attract more customers to your products. Thank you all for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Happy selling on Walmart!